Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the grade 8 math. The chapter we're going to start with the linear equations. The lessons which we're going to cover today are find the slope of a graph, find the slope from 2 points, find a missing coordinate using slope, find the slope of an equation. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 8 math. The chapter we are on right now is linear equations. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is find the slope of a graph. So you are given the graph, you have to find the slope of the graph, right? How do we find when we are given with the graph and we have to find the slope? What we have to do, you have to select any 2 points on the graph, right? For example, this is the first one and this is the second one, right? The coordinate of the first one is x is 0, the y is 2. And the coordinates for this one is x is 4, y is 4. You have to use the formula to calculate the slope, that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 0. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 by 4. 2 by 4 equals 1 over 2. So that's how you calculate the slope. Whenever we have to calculate the slope of the graph, you select any 2 points from the graph. You have to find their coordinates and then you need to use the formula of the slope of the correct option is 1 over 2, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, look at this graph. What is the slope? Let's just find the slope on the let's just find the points on the graph, right? This is the first point and this is the second point, right? So the slope of the first one is x is 0, y is 30, and the slope for the second one is x is 40, y is 50. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. That is y2 minus y minus 50 minus 30 divided by 40 minus 0. 50 minus 30 is 20 and 20 divided by 40 is 1 by 2. It is the correct option is 1 by 2. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 1 over 2. Look at this graph. What is the slope? So let's just find two points on the graph and calculate. Let me tell you one easy way to calculate the slope, right? Just select any two points, this one and this one. Now just make a triangle like this. This is change in y, right? Change in y is 3 and change in x is 2. That means the new slope is 3 over 2. That is another easy way to calculate the slope, that is 3 by 2. The correct option is 3 over 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is look at this graph. Okay, let's just calculate the slope of the graph. Here is the first point and here is the second point, right? Just make a triangle like this. That is 1, 2, 3 and 3 over 1. The correct option is 3. That is the slope of the graph. The slope of the graph is 3. The correct option is 3. The correct option is 3. Got it? So calculating the slope from the graph is too easy, isn't it? Look at this graph. Which is the correct option? Look at this graph. What is the slope? Let's just see. Here is the here is the first point and here is the second point. The coordinates for the first one is x is 0, y is 2, and for this one they are 4 and 4. So you have to do y2 minus y1, 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 0, that is 2 by 4, that equals 1 over 2. The correct option is 1 by 2. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find the slope from 2 points. Now you are given the points, right? Earlier we are calculating the slope from the graph. So when we are calculating the slope from the graph, we have to find the points, right? But now you are given those points, you simply have to calculate the slope. So you just need to use the formula, that is y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1, and you can calculate the slope. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4. x2 minus x1, 10 minus 5, that is 3 by 5. So the slope is 3 by 5. The correct option is 3 by 5. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Find the slope of the line that passes through 1, 4 and 3, 7, right? You are given two of the points. You need to calculate the slope. So that is 1, 4, 3, 7. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4. And x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1. That is 7 minus 4 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the slope of this problem is 3 by 2. The correct option is 3 by 2. Okay, let's just move on to next example. The next one is find the slope of the line that passes through the point 10, 10 and 3, 1. So you are given two of the points. They are 10, 10 and 3, 1, right? 10, 10 and 3, 1. This is x2 minus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 10 divided by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 10. 1 minus 10 is negative 9 and negative 7. So you are left with 9 by 7. Yes, the correct option is 9 by 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the slope of the line that passes through 9, 2 and 6, 9. So which is the correct option? That is negative 7 over 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, isn't it? Negative 7 by 3, it is not 4. Find the slope of the line that passes through point 4, 9 and 6, 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is negative 3 over 2 is the correct option. Yes, first one it is. Very good. Find the slope of the line that passes through the point 2, 5 and 7, 2. So which is the correct option? That is negative 3 by 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Find the slope of the line that passes through the point 5, 4 and 10, 7. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 by 5. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Find the slope of the line that passes through the point 8, 9 and 6, 10. So which is the correct option? That is negative 1 by 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Find a missing coordinate using slope. Now you are given the coordinates, you are given the points, but one of the coordinate is missing. How do we find? A line has a slope of 1. You are given the slope that is 1 and includes the point negative 8a and negative 10 8. What is the value of a? You have to use the formula that we use to calculate the slope, right? That would be slope equals change in y divided by change in x. You are given the slope is 1. Now you have to use the formula, right? That is 8 minus a and negative 10 minus negative 8, right? So just evaluate it for the a, so then a equals 10. The correct option is 10. Let's just start with the practice question. We'll do on our own. Okay, a line has a slope of 0, passes through the point 5g and negative 10, negative 8. Okay, what is the value of g? Let's just calculate the value, right? The slope is 0, right? We know that m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So m is 0. That is 0 equals y2 minus y1. Negative 8 minus g divided by x2 minus x1, right? That would be 0 equals negative 8 minus g, and negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. So negative 15 times 0 is 0. So that is negative 8 minus g. So g equals 8. The correct option is g equals negative 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So the correct option is negative 8, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. That means the missing coordinate is negative 8. Got it? A line has a slope of 4 that passes through the point 8v and 6, 2. What is the value of v? So let's just calculate the slope. That is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. M is 4. Y2 minus y1, 2 minus v. X2 minus x1, 6 minus 8. That is 4 equals 2 minus v over negative 2. So negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 equals 2v. 2v equals, hold on, no, that's not 2v, that's 2 minus v. So move to other side, that would be negative 8, that is positive 8 and plus 2, so that would be 10. V equals 10. The correct option is V equals 10. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to next one. A line that includes the point 1v and 2 4 has a slope of 10. What is the value of the u? You have to calculate the value of u. So that is you have to use the formula of the slope, that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Slope is 10. 4 minus u, 2 minus 1. That is 10 equals 4 minus u over 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 minus u equals 10. So then negative u equals 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4, that is 6. So v equals negative 6. The correct option is v equals negative 6. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. So the correct option is u equals, sorry, negative 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. The point 6, f and 7, negative 8 fall on a line with a slope of negative 7. Which is the correct option? That is f equals 1. The correct option is f equals 1, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is the next lesson is find the slope of an equation. So when we are given with the equation, how do we find the slope? So that from the equation, calculating the slope is very easy, right? Let's just start with an example. Find the slope of the line y. The line is y equals negative 1 over 3x minus 1. You have to compare the equation with the point slope formula, that is y equals mx plus b. So the coefficient of the x is the slope, that is negative 1 over 3. So the slope of the equation is negative 1 over 3, right? Let's just start with the test questions. So you have to keep in your mind the coefficient of the x is the slope, right? The slope of the line y equals negative 6 by 5x minus 2. You have to compare this equation to y equals, where is the pen? Okay, y equals mx plus b. So m is the coefficient of the x, so that would be negative 6 over 5. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is negative 6 over 5. Option 1 is the correct option. Find the slope of the line y. Y equals negative 1 by 3x plus 1. So which is the correct option? The correct option is negative 1 by 3. So the slope is negative 1 by 3. Find the slope of the line y equals 1 by 7x minus 5 over 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 over 7. The slope is 1 by 7. Find the slope of the line y equals 2x minus 3 by 2. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 2. Find the slope of the line y equals 2 by 3x minus 7 over 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 2 by 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Find the slope of the line y equals negative 7 over 3x plus 7 over 2. So which is the correct option? That is negative 7 over 3 is the correct option. Got it? Find the slope of the line y equals negative 7 over 9x minus 3 over 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is negative 7 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is linear equations. The lessons we have covered today are find the slope of a graph, find the slope from 2 points, find the missing coordinate using slope, and find the slope of an equation. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to. So that's all for. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.